Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to unprotect your sheet here on Excel. Now if you are new here, or if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so for this all you need to do is be familiar with protecting your sheet. So I'm going to quickly walk through that. So you can see we're here on our document and we can do whatever we please. All we need to do is go to the very top and click on review, and you see the option for protect this sheet. Okay, now I can be asked to set a password. I'm not going to set one at the moment, but you can see I can then select what I would or would not like to happen on this document. So I click OK, and as you can see at the moment, I now cannot do anything with this document. To unprotect, again, just go up to the very top and click unprotect, and this will then give me the chance to then start operating on this sheet again. If there is a password, it will pop up for you to input. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.